Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to attention to detail in South Dennis, we have the 2023 Model S Plaid. Being 1.6 seconds, 0 to 60. It is one of the quickest production cars ever made. That's how you go to there. Shut that off. All right. I will say, I'm just gonna that. There we go. That's how you adjust all that. That up. We're in drive. Where did all this traffic come from? All right, we got a gap here. Head back. And you've merged the traffic. Okay. I think I need one of these.
Yeah, just to get through the Nashua traffic, you need one of those.
That takes your breath away. That's shocking. No pun intended. What's nice is when you're not, you know, just flooring it everywhere, which you really can't. With 1,000 horsepower, you can't just floor this thing everywhere. It's impossible to use all of it. It's actually pretty comfortable. Full self-driving, of course. Oh, you have to be in. Okay, that makes sense. All your different modes and everything. You know, first time using an official yoke steering wheel. I've driven a Model S that had an aftermarket one. It took a second to get used to, but now that I'm used to it, it's not bad at all. I still find myself going further. But what it does help with is I can see the dash, the gauge cluster, everything I can see crystal clear. Please no trains. And with electric cars, it's quiet. Nice, quiet, comfortable. Faster than anything I've really driven. That's the thing that I noticed with this is compared to the Model S P100D, that was quick up until about 80 to 90. This is quick all the way. This is a 200-mile-an-hour car. This is something pretty darn impressive. See, this is where the yoke is kind of, I miss the top of my steering wheel. But unless you're in parking lots all the time, actually you could just do this. I could have went for that. It's not my car, so I'm trying to be somewhat careful. Oh man.
He's turning.
He is?
Yep.
Crazy part to think about is that little launch was not in launch control, so it's technically faster than that, which is kind of hard to believe or wrap my head around, because I have never been dead stop with a car to the left of me on a highway and being able to accelerate with them not leaving my side. That was something very terrifying. Does this have air suspension? Actually, it rides pretty well. Let me see what kind of mode it's in. Oh, medium. That's not too bad. You can view live suspension data. That's only mildly distracting, but if you're on autopilot, it doesn't matter. This is almost like a video game or a personal roller coaster. Regenerative braking is actually nice. Never have to I don't think I've touched the brakes once driving this car. It's kind of crazy, but oh, you have cameras when your blinkers are on. Turn signals, only people from the Boston area say blinkers. Actually, they say blinkers. There's no R in the Boston language. The front end gets a little light. It was spinning when we did that, so it's a little terrifying, but it gets light, but nothing this side of performance cars can do that. You have somebody who's trying to merge, you need to get out of the way. You just do that and you are completely out of the situation. And this is a great first car for somebody, you know, you just, oh, you're at a party, something's happening that you don't want it to. Oh, there you go, you're in the next zip code. It actually is easy to drive, it's manageable. Obviously, we're not on a racetrack. I don't know about handling and everything like that. It's a lot of power to modulate. It's something that I think going into it, I expect it to be way more terrified than it really is. Like, it's a lot more manageable. It's definitely, it's almost scary or eerie how fast it is without feeling completely uncontrollable. The 720S, the Ferrari 296, those cars are as fast as this, but they're terrifying. They're spinning, you're shifting gears, this, it's like, oh, okay, it's whatever. Like you said, it's like being on an airplane or a launch roller coaster, even from behind the wheel, because it's almost like, what speed am I going? It's fun. It's like Mike said, he put it very very well. This is probably the best daily driver you can have, to have all the fun in the world. I mean, yeah, it's a lot of money, but when you think about what cars I'm talking about that this is as fast as, they're $400,000 more than this car. But Model S Plaid, it's a completely different league compared to the P100D, and to think that they're only getting faster is pretty insane. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.